Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M32 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Select while using the app and click Allow. Then click Home button and tap on iOS Launcher. Choose Always. Click Got it. And as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!